Hello everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack Daily Challenge, that is, sort string values, first and last. Hashtag include istdio.h. This line includes the standard input-output library, which is necessary for input and output operations. Hashtag include istlib.h. This line includes the standard library, which provides memory allocation functions like malloc and free. Int main, this line marks the beginning of the main function, which is the entry point of the program. Int n, this line declares an integer variable n, which will store the number of strings to be inputted. Scanf, %d, and n, this line reads an integer value from the standard input, keyboard, and stores it in the variable n. Char s, 2000, this line declares a 2D array s of characters, which will store the input strings. It has a maximum size of 2000 strings, each with a maximum length of 2000 characters. 4. Int I equals 0, I less than n, I++. This line starts a loop that iterates n times, where n is the number of strings inputted by the user. Scanf, %s, I, this line reads a string from the standard input and stores it in the ith row of the array s. 4. Int I equals 0, I less than n, I++. This line starts another loop that iterates over each string in the array s. 4. Int j equals I+1, j less than n, j++. This line starts an inner loop that iterates over the strings following the ith string in the array s. If strcmp, s, I, s, j, 0, this line compares the ith string with the jth string lexicographically using the strcmp function. If the result is greater than 0, it means the ith string comes after the jth string in lexicographical order. Char temp, 2000, this line declares a temporary character array temp to hold the value of the ith string during swapping. strcpy, temp, s, I, this line copies the value of the ith string to the temp array using the strcpy function. strcpy, s, I, s, j, this line copies the value of the jth string to the ith position in the array s using the strcpy function. strcpy, s, j, temp, this line copies the value of the temp array, which holds the original ith string, to the jth position in the array s using the strcpy function, effectively swapping the strings. Printf, %s, s, 0, s, n, 1, this line prints the first and last strings in the array s. Return 0, this line marks the end of the main function and indicates that the program executed successfully. Next, we'll see the solution in Python. N equals int, input, reads an integer n from the standard input using the input function, converts it to an integer using int, and stores it in the variable n. Strings equals input, split, reads a single line of input containing space-separated strings using the input function, splits the input line into a list of strings using the split method, which splits the input string based on whitespace by default, and stores the resulting list in the variable strings. Strings.sort, sorts the list of strings lexicographically in ascending order using the sort method of lists in Python. Print, strings e0, prints the first string in the sorted list, accessed by index 0. Print, strings, -1, prints the last string in the sorted list, accessed by index -1, which represents the last element in a Python list. I hope this explanation helps. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming challenges. Thanks for watching.